How to use cellulose fiber. In this video, we will use the example of Leslies Cellulose Fiber. Leslies Cellulose Fiber is a blend of natural cellulose fibers that replaces diatomaceous earth in pool and spa filters. In DE filters, cellulose fiber replaces the DE and safely cleans pool water. In cartridge and sand filters, cellulose fiber works as a filter aid and improves water clarity. Using directions. Method 1. Determine how many fiber clear cups, 16 Oz by volume equals 1 fiber clear cup, are needed to fill your DE scoop. Then make your conversion. For example, a 48 SQFT filter requires 9 fiber clear cups. If your scoop holds 3 cups, you need to use approximately 3 level scoops. Method 2. Fields uses cellulose with sand filters as well, noting that by adding cellulose fiber, you can easily take a 30 to 40 micron sand filter down to 2 microns by simply adding it to the top of the sand bin. Additional information. There are no known harmful side effects from adding it to food, and it's completely legal. Cellulose is a non-digestible plant fiber, and we actually happen to need non-digestible vegetable fiber in our food. That's why people eat bran flakes and psyllium husks, says Jeff Potter, author of Cooking for Geeks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.